This is my 2021 Toyota Tundra Crewmax. Gonna be replacing this grill. I got the TRD Pro grill that has the Toyota across it. The big problem is there's a sensor right here for the radar cruise and Toyota safety systems or TSS or whatever. So this is gonna have to be relocated on the new grill. So I'm gonna go through how to do that. Alright, so there's four main parts. This is the piece for the Toyota Safety Sense. These are the two rivets that are going to hold that onto the grill. And then this is for the hood bulge. This is the actual grill. So, I ordered all of them from a local dealership. It's kind of expensive. It's about $880 for everything, which I thought was a bit much, but really like the way it works. This piece was exposed in the box. Looks like it rubbed off, but there's a little bit of a scratch right there, but it looks like it was just superficial. See what that looks like. So it's got the Toyota across it. It's gonna look really good. I'm really excited about this. It's a box in a box. Be the top piece. Yeah, it looks awesome. All right. So I'm trying to figure out how the piece pops off on the hood. It looks like there's two 10s on the new one, and then there's clips. There's actually a screw right there. That was good to see. So I'm just comparing the new one to the old one. So I'm gonna take out those three 10s and then just pull on it, see what happens. It's a little too easy. Connector right here for the safety sensor. Get it out. These clips were on the sides. If you look, you just take a 90-degree pick, you stick it in the side and pop them out. So I'm just concerned looking at the new grill, there's two spots where there's threaded screws. So A little more difficult than I thought. Just want to show you something real quick. So this is what gave me a really hard time pulling it out. My intention was, or my reaction was to just yank as hard as I could. But if you look at this clip, it's got kind of this tab. It's got kind of like a ramp to it. When I wouldn't pull out on the other side, I dug my hand in there, and if you push down on it, it's gonna release that tab. So that's what gave me a hard time on the other side. All right, I think this is what hangs everybody up. They don't know what to do with this. So this sensor senses the cars in front of you for the Toyota or the TSS. This needs to be transferred to the new grille. So I'm gonna take this off. We've got a connector right here. You just push on these tabs. And it's done. All right, there you go. This was the most frustrating thing out of the whole ordeal. This goes in front right here. This goes in front of the Toyota sensor, the safety sensor. This piece, I wanted to get the right one, and this thing was like $350. I don't know if it's made out of some kind of acrylic, but it's obnoxious. But I wanted it to be right, so I had to order it. So it goes in from the front. And then they have these little tabs that need to be clipped in. Alright, so these tabs go one way. So you're gonna press them on. All I'm gonna do is use this socket. I'm just using a 9mm socket to go over top of it. I'll support it from the front side and then just push them on. Didn't realize I had to route these off the old grill. That's it, it's done. Man, that looks so much better. Little sneak peek. Oh my goodness. So much better. Great. That is it. Man, that looks good. That's it. So this is the TRD Pro front end. Man, job took maybe 20 minutes. Like the worst part was losing where I put down some of the bolts. So, it's expensive for a grill, but man, I think it makes the truck look so much nicer. I'm gonna try to do something about these chrome bumper caps and mirror covers. I'll do that at a later date, but man, what a transformation. It looks awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome.